Hello there everyone, I'm here with Simple Minis Volume 5, so the last one in the Simple Minis series, and I say last very loosely, so you never know if I come up with another design, but Simple Minis Volume 5, I did volumes 1 through 5 now. The paper collection that I use is Alchemy by Stamperia. And I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's really, really fabulous, guys. If you haven't picked up this paper collection, I personally picked it up at a Cherry on Top, so you can check them out. They have all of their lines and they're fabulous. I picked up quite a few of their paper collections. So I used 2 paper collections for this book, but you can get away with 1, absolutely. There was just 2 patterns that I loved the most, so of course I broke out another pack and I used it. But you really need 1. If you're going to make it exactly like mine, you're going to say, hey, where did Kathy get that? And it's because I went into another paper pack. All right. So really, really beautiful. You get lots of goodies in this paper collection. Okay, so check them out if you haven't yet, or if you're a fan and you haven't picked this paper collection up yet, check it out. It's fabulous. So Simple Minis Volume 5, same cover, guys. Look at how fabulous. This paper, I chose it because my sister has tattoos of the sun and the moon, very, very similar to this. And I just reminded me of her, and I'll probably wind up sending her this album. So really simple on the cover. The pages, yet again, another set of fun pages that I know you all are going to love, 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 love. So we've got a simple side pocket here, guys. Just like with all of the albums, the cover and the inside pockets are identical for some goodies. This page here is pretty fun. It's got this closure here, and it's a half a pouch style page with this thing here kind of holding everything together. That is magnetized. I put several goodies in there, photo mats and such, and then this photo mat, look at that, how many pictures you can hold on this just alone. 8 photos on this alone. All right, so you've got this photo mat in there, and that goes just like so with additional goodies. Because it's a pouch style page, you can fit a lot of stuff in here. Okay, and then here I chose to do the back with photos and a little bit of paper. Here I highlighted a 4x4 and did some fun matting there. Here is the back side of the page, so we've got some fun angle pockets. This is a really perfectly cut size angle pocket. Things are not going to fall out of your angle pocket because it's got a good height. It's got a nice slope. There's balance here in this angle pocket. It's just not any old angle pocket. Okay, so you open it up and you've got pockets here. You've got room for a photo. You can do a complete photo spread on both of these, and then you can do a smaller insertion point there, and then you have room for smaller or loose items, which is my deconstructed style page with my bumpers. And I love this page style. It's so fabulous. You can't go wrong. The back, you can do your photo in the landscape or the portrait version, as you can see here. And I end the page with another one of these little numbers, which this is where I got it. I did it first and then I did the loose ones. This and this. My hands are so dry. It's freezing in Florida. Freezing in Florida. It's 29 degrees in Florida. What is wrong? What's going on? So here is the fun flip that I did back here. And that's how the page ends. So then the book repeats itself. You can do the same exact thing, or you can put all sorts of different sizes of photo mats in this pouch style pocket, and you have this kind of open airiness look to it, which I have to tell you I really love. Turned out really, really nice. And there's the back of that page. So everything looks so different depending on your matting style. So here's that first page matting style. Here's the back of that. Here's what I did with this page. So you can do all sorts of different things. There's that fabulous angle pocket again with that deconstruction. The deconstructed page is completely open, but it still holds everything inside. Nothing's going to fall out. And then we've got this fabulous quad photo mat arrangement of photos here, which is just divine. And again, look at how fun that looks with these smaller items in the pocket. So here's another accordion, 6 photos if you choose to add these to your albums. Some fun little tags with some twine and just all sorts of fun little things. It's the detail, right guys? The details make everything super interesting. And here's the back of that page. Flip it again and we've got that fabulous angle pocket. Open that up for the deconstructed page. So lots of area here to tell your story. Lots and lots of area. And ta-da! Love how that opens up. It's just so fun. And there's the back of it. I did another one of these in the back. So again, landscape or portrait, either way you could put your photos on there. You don't have to pick and choose. There's lots of room in here for both photo styles, and you can fit quite a bit of photos in here. Let me quickly take you through, I'm not going to take you through it, but so you can see what you get when you get all of the volumes, all of the simple minis. So this is volume 1, another incredible page style. All of the page styles here are fabulous. They're all sized exactly the same so that you can interchange and create your own album styles. Here is, so volume 1, here's volume 2, another fantastic page. All sorts of things happening, guys, in these albums. And so that you can switch up your covers, so not all the covers are the same, I gave you see-through cover. All right, we went through this. This is all included in your tutorials. And then I gave you a shaker cover. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so here's your shaker cover. Whoopsie, this guy is here. So he's not falling out the shaker. Looks like he was coming out of your shaker. So completely see-through shaker cover, front and back. All right, so you can, if you love the pages here and you want this cover on that album, you can do that. You can use pages from 2, 3, and 4 and make your own album. There's all sorts of mixing and matching here, guys. So simple minis 1 through 5. If you want to collect them all, absolutely, or you just pick up your favorite one. So I will link you down below to all of the important links, and don't forget to check out this paper. I think it's really fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.